Hi, I'm on the Duolingo Max 3-day trial, and I'm going to show you what a conversation with Lily is like.
ああ、またあなたですね。こんにちは。
こんにちは。元気ですか？
ああ、まあまあ元気ですね。お茶が好きですか？
お茶が大好きです。
いいですね。よく飲みますか？
はい、いつも読みます。
いつも読みます？お茶は好きですか？
はい、大好きです。
いいですね。何が一番好き？
抹茶です。
抹茶ですね。いいですね。あなたは和菓子も好きですか？
もう一回？
大丈夫です。じゃあ、また後でいいですね。
じゃあね。
また次回ね。
It's just I like it a lot because it's really fulfilling when she understands what you said or has a response to it, because it just builds confidence in speaking, and there's no pressure because she's not real. And then it shows you the transcript of the conversation. So she said, hey, it's you again. I said, hey, how are you? She said, Mama, I'm doing okay. She asked if I liked tea. Ocha ga suki desu. And I said, I love it. And then she asks if I drink it often. I said, I always drink it. You always? Oops. I accidentally said I read it all the time, but I meant I drink it all the time. She asked if I liked tea again. I said, yeah, I love it. And then she asked what's my favorite. I said matcha. And she said, that's nice. Oh, okashi. She asked if I like Japanese sweets. And I said, moikai, please say it again. And she said, it's okay, like, never mind. And she said, see you later. I said, bye. It's really fun. And I can do it, like, as many times as I want, I think. It's been here. I'll do one more.
おかえりなさい。
ただいま。
抹茶いいですね。和菓子は何が好きですか？
もう一回。
和菓子は好きですか？
和菓子は何？
お菓子です。
あ
甘くて伝統的。
お菓子。抹茶のお菓子が大好きです。
抹茶のお菓子いいね。他には？
他は趣味ですね。
趣味はピアノですね。曲は練習しますか？
すみません。他のお菓子はポッキーです。
ポッキーもいいですね。じゃあ、また後でいいですね。
はい、またね。
また次回ね。
that one was fun. It helps me remember words that I forgot. Like, I forgot hoka meant other, and she asked me what other snacks did I like. So, I just,
抹茶いいですね。
oops, I just realized that she remembers the stuff I said about myself. And I'm mind blown right now, because it's like a AI chatbot. Wagashi. She said wagashi. I said, please say that again, because I didn't know what wagashi meant. She said it's like it means, oh, it's a type of snack. I didn't know that. A sweet and traditional snack, and I didn't know. So I just said that I like matcha snacks. She said, those are good, aren't they? What else? Hoka. Hoka ni wa. This is the moment I thought hoka meant shumi, which is hobby, and I mixed it up. So I said, hoka wa, I don't remember what, I think it misunderstood me there. And it said my hobby is piano, isn't it? Even though I didn't say anything about piano in this conversation. I said that in like 5 conversations ago. That was cool. So I said, sumimasen, excuse me, I understood. I understood what she said. I realized after. So I said I like Pocky, and it said, Pocky is good too, isn't it? And well then, see you later. See you next time. Yeah, it's so fun. I could keep going, but I have to go. Bye.